Hello there, one more time. My name is Mahmoud Said Saif, aka Mr. Murphy, and I'm here to help you speak your mind in English. In today's video, we're going to talk about why is it so easy to learn English like right now, and why it's not that easy as well. So, first of all, the English alphabets actually is very simple, no marks on it, and we all know that is the Latin alphabet, and it's one of the shortest. So moving forward from this, actually the English considered weak to the French when it comes to inflections. The English language actually has very simple inflections, and the inflection, for you all doesn't know that, is the letters that you put by the end of the word to make it, for example, plural. All right, and we're gonna explain that in more detail in the upcoming videos. One more thing that makes it like very hazy for you to learn English and sometimes confusing, the way the word is being written is something, and also how you pronounce that is another thing. Another thing that might create a conflict while you're learning is the grammar rules. Actually, I see that English is very easy to learn, and the grammar, actually, you don't need to memorize any grammar rules. Just understand them. And once you understand them correctly, you find yourself you're using that every day in your one-on-one conversation, maybe a public speaking where you're talking with your friend, and so on. So just try to understand that the English has a general fixed order for each sentence, all right? And we'll go more into those details in the upcoming videos, of course. One more thing that actually can confuse you, that English is very receptive. What do I mean by receptive? That English can take another words from another language and adjust those words to fit in English. Of course, speaking academically is one thing, and actually the one-on-one conversation on the street, that's another thing. And moving forward, the English language actually is a non-tonal language. What do I mean by non-tonal? Well, compared to the Japanese language, the English is very easy to learn. So if I'm telling you one word in a one specific way, all right, and then I told you the same word in a different way, that's not gonna change the meaning of the word. But the Japanese, actually, if I speaking with you in a loud tone, that means one thing, and if I speak to you in another tone, that means another thing, a complete different thing. Moving forward, actually, the sound and spelling is very different in the English language, and we all know that, and actually, that gives you a struggle while learning. So, if we talk about that, the way the word's written and why it sounds like that, that will take us back actually to the main point I was telling you in the very first video. Just learn phonics, learn what does the letter sounds. Do not learn only the names of the letters. So in this part, I want to give you more than one example. So let's see. OUGH. OUGH makes like three different sounds, like thought, like although, like rough. You see, there's like three different sounds in one combination of letters. And moving forward, actually, there are another thing that makes it hard for you to learn English, especially reading, that some of the words has the same letters, the same everything, but actually while you're reading or while you're speaking, you have to stress on specific parts of those words. For example, the word read, right? So when you speak in the present tense, actually you say read, but if you speak in the past tense, you say read. So this is can be confusing. This can give you a conflict while you're learning English. And also words can have different letters actually but doing the same sound. So the word ate, all right, I'm finished, I'm done eating. So I ate my meal. And another word can give you the same sound here is the number eight, right? Eight and eight. So it's like very simple, and you just need to focus on listening first so you can identify the words out of the connected speech. I believe that the best way that you can learn English is to listen more than you talk. Just listen, observe, understand what you're listening. And I'll tell you another thing that you need to have like massive number of vocabulary before you start talking. So I'll tell you what. Let's make it simple. Every day, just learn 5 words, okay? And if you're actually up to more, that you can do that. Once you learn those words, just put them on the shelf, okay? Forget about them for now. Learn different words. Learn another 5 words, learn another 10 words, whatever you like. And after you do that, okay, compare what you previously learned to the ones that you're learning right now. You'll find that there is a connection between words. You'll find there is an opposite word to a different one that you already know about. You'll find some words actually giving the same meaning. And right now, what you're doing is building a network inside of your head with those words. So whenever you're speaking, actually, you will find that you have more than one word that gives you the same meaning. Well, I believe that's it for today. And if you want to speak English like native, just tune in. I'll make sure to get you there.